Welcome back to Kaun Banega Crorepati. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new guitar, Yamaha F280NT. Yeah, NT. So here's a guitar. Yamaha. So here are the contents of the box. Of course, there's a guitar and the owner's manual, a contact list, a warranty card, and a wrench. Now, I did not get a wrench and a warranty card, but the store guy said showing the bill is enough. If you're getting this online, and you'll probably get a wrench and warranty card as well. So here, let's go back. Here is a manual. Sorry. Here's a guitar. Beautiful, right? It has matte finish on the sides and the back, and a gloss finish in the front. It also comes with this protective scratch guard while strumming. This looks cool. So the warranty is on bridge and neck. You can find more details of this guitar in the link below. So here is the guitar. I don't know how to play guitar, so this is day one. I'll make more videos as I keep progressing over time. Now I can have my own sound. I don't need to download from YouTube and worry about copyright infringement. I don't even know what I'm playing. So that's it. See you in the next one.